Hey guys, what's going on? Back a little bit. It's been a while. Had a lot going on. Lot with life. I'm not going to go into big details. But anyway, I'm going to try to get y'all a video put out. It's going to be a little bit different video. As you can see, I'm in a different garage, and the 55 four-door conversion is not behind me. So what we've got here is my little hot rod truck. I've had it a little while. It's 55 Chevy, has a 58, 59 front end on it. Pretty cool old truck, pretty solid. It's not bad. Still got the 55 Chevy four-door conversion. I will be getting fired back up on it come springtime. There's going to be one more video come out on it pretty soon. And when this video comes out, that's as far as the car is to this point. There's not been a whole lot done off camera on it. Like I said, just been busy with life. Haven't been able to make it out to the garage to work on it as much as I like. So I'll show you what we got going on with this one, and something I can piddle with through the winter up here, and we'll go from there, guys. Here's what we got. So what we've got on this old truck is these insert door panels here. They're very small. So when I got the truck, this one is factory. It was on the driver's side. That one was missing. Well, I made that one the other day. Unfortunately, my camera was dead. Made it from scratch, put the bead roll in it, all that stuff. So this thing's, pretty solid old truck. It's got a few pinholes and stuff down here. A little bit of rust right in here. This dash. Somebody painted it this greenish color and threw a glitter bomb at it. It's terrible. So project for this. This insert, the new one I made, and the dash are going to go gloss black. So that's what we're going to be working on. I'm going to leave the, the rust looking on the bottom. I think on the inside down here, I'm going to do some undercoating on it. These seats are out of a King Ranch. They're not too bad. I think I'm going to dye them black and all that good stuff. I'm able to heat this little garage a little bit and be able to piddle on stuff through the winter. So that's going to be one of the projects we got. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to set up a little time lapse. That way I can get a video out. I know it's been a long time, and hope you guys keep following and all that good stuff. Sorry it's been so long. I'll try to keep up on some videos, even if it's not on the four-door conversion. Like I said, we will be back on that first of spring for sure. We'll be hammered down on it. Hopefully early spring we'll get some real progress going on it. I know everybody's wanting updates on it, and I'm doing the best I can with it. Stay tuned, guys. I'll set up some laps and we'll go from there. See you. All right, guys, bring you back just a second. We're gonna show you what we got done on the door panels and a little bit of behind the scenes to Lovett SpeedShop. So on the door panels, I'm not sure if I like them or not. I may end up changing it, but this is what we come up with. Shiny black. I actually sanded a little bit on the roll there to let a little bit of the raw metal come through. This is some WD-40 that's run down from the boat hose. It's not bolted on, it's just sitting there. Trying to decide if I like it. I don't know if I do or not. Dash is gonna be shiny. You know, the truck's kind of patinted, for sure, definitely. Let me know what you guys think on this. Should I go flat black with these? Because I'm gonna leave this, you know, the rust look, possibly either satin clear it or clear over it. I don't know about this. So, let me know what you guys think, all right? Now, a little bit of behind the scenes on what we're doing for the last video on the update of the 4-door conversion. We've got the mastermind behind us here with her computer, you know, editing videos, helping me do it. But what's cool about this, we've got it streamed on the TV as she's editing, which is cool to me because usually I'm sitting over in a chair beside her trying to look at this little computer to see what's going on, to learn and all that stuff. Half time I'm getting a crick in my neck, all that. We got it up on the TV in the garage. We got the heat going. Got the 55 truck sitting out here hanging out. All right, guys, I'll bring you back. All right, guys, what's going on? Bring you back just a little bit on this 55 truck, painting the dash and the door panels and stuff. So I got in from work yesterday. It's kind of late and I didn't get any footage of it, but I'll show you what I got going on so far and what the plan is for today. And I'll try to get you a little bit of work footage on it and we'll go from there. All right, guys, here we go. A little bit dark in here, but we got the door panels painted and back on. Got the dash painted. It's all black, if you guys can see that. Radio delete, kind of sanded it down raw metal. It was white originally and cleared over it. It laid down pretty good. Plan is for today, I'm gonna color sand this real quick and then I'm gonna clear it. And that's what we got. So I'll set the other camera up, guys, and get you a little bit of work footage, hopefully. We'll go from there. Bring you back in a little bit, guys. See you. All right, guys, what's going on? Bring you back on this dash, glitter bomb dash that we had. Show you a little update on it. I didn't get any footage of, you know, putting the cluster and stuff like that back in. This truck's so small inside, it's hard to set up a camera and all that stuff. But I'll show you what the finished project looks like as far as the dash and where we're gonna go from here. All right, guys, here we go. The light's not very good in the garage here. Hopefully you guys can see this. So we got the cluster back in, everything what little bit of stuff goes on the dash. Back in. Turned out pretty good for rattle can. You see that side, got door panels on. I've got handles on. The handles are actually off a 57 Chevy or 55 Chevy car or 56 Chevy car. They don't really fit the best, but unfortunately that's all I had and they work. A little bit of gap in between them. That's all right. Door panels. So, you know, the truck's kind of rough around the edges. Figured we'd knock the glitter off that dash and get that. So the next step, what I'm wanting to do to this thing, all the floorboards. Floors are pretty good. There's a few pinholes and stuff like this. You can see that one through there. A little bit in this step. It's not terrible. But I think what I'm going to do is get some undercoating or maybe some rhino line. Just rattle can it in here. I am going to paint the steering column and match to the dash. And then I'm probably going to do something with the steering wheel too. The steering wheel's off a 55 Chevy Bel Air car. I've got the original truck wheel, but I like the Bel Air wheel on it. That's the reason I stuck it on there. But I've got to have a steering wheel puller, and it's at the other garage to be able to pull it off and paint it. And then with these seats, I might have already mentioned, you know, they're out of a King Ranch. They're leather, pretty good shape. But I think I'm gonna dye them black too. Rhino line the floor black, all that stuff. But I think I'm gonna leave the rest of it patinaed out. Just because it goes, you know, with the truck. You know, the truck's kind of got a satin on it. Not a pretty new penny. But I think that's where we're going to end this video. Next video I'm going to get started on. I'm going to get the hood back on this thing. I've got it. And I'll try to get you some footage on that. So now, guys, that's what we got. Hopefully we can get something pieced together. So as always, talk to me, like, subscribe, holler at me, guys. Till next time, see you. Bye.